All right, moving on to level 2. What do you do when you have a giant radical? What happens when you have a whole bunch of stuff inside the radical and nothing outside of it? Well, believe it or not, here's what you do. Square both sides. Okay? If you have a giant radical sign, square both sides and the radical will go away. So this is going to turn into a 3a plus 1 equaling a 49. Okay, so again, the square and the radical cancel each other. Okay, this is actually a pretty easy one. I'm going to go minus 1. Oops. Minus 1. Sorry, I got ahead of myself there. 3a is going to equal a 48. Also running out of room down here. Divide both sides by 3. A is going to equal, I don't know, 40 at the top of my head. I'm tired. It's been a long day. Looks like it's going to be 16. There we go. Okay, let's double check. Square root 3 times 16 plus 1. Nice, equals 7. All right, good. Guess and check, not guess and check, but I checked my work. There we go. Plug it back in, it should work out. All right, next one. All right, now this one we have a big square root, but we also have something on the outside, so you want to knock that out first. So divide both sides by 2. Again, you can't get rid of the radical sign until everything on the outside is gone. So divide both sides by 2. I'm going to have a square root of x plus 5 still. That's going to equal 6. Square, square. I'm going to have an x plus 5, because it cancels, equals a 36. Oops, should have had the line down here. Minus 5. I'm off camera too. Minus 5, minus 5. X is going to equal, I believe, a 31. Sweet. We got it. Okay, let's double check. Let's plug in 31 to the original equation. 2 bracket, not bracket, square root symbol. There we go. 2 square root symbol 31 plus 5. Okay, mental math. That's 36. Square root of 36 is 6. 6 times 2 should give me 12. There we go. Got them. 12 right there. Okay, so plug it back in and check. That's the level 2 situation. Now, I have seen people do things like this, and this is kind of weird, so watch this. There are some mathematicians who would say, you know what's actually okay to square both sides right away. And I'm like, what? You can actually do this. This is okay if you go like this and go like this and square both sides right away. The trick is this would cancel and become just an x plus 5, and this would be 2 squared. So that actually would become a 4. So you would have a 4 times x plus 5 equaling 112, oops, bracket, okay, equaling 12 squared. 12 squared is 144. I knew that. Okay, so you could actually do that. Okay, so watch this. This is kind of crazy. You would divide both sides by 4, divide both sides by 4. X plus 5 equals, let's see here. 144 divided by 4, 36. Weird. Okay, so we got to the same result as we did there. So that does happen. The hard part is some people forget to put brackets around the x plus 5. Since it's 2 times this group, when you do this, square the 2 and you cancel the radical sign, you have to write it like this. That's why some people screw that up. But anyway, you get the same last move. So some people do that. Same amount of steps, to be honest. Divide by 2, square, 1 step, square, divide by 4, 1 step. It's the same amount of steps, but that's just something that you could do on the side. All right, next one coming in hot.